Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, it's great to have you all. Before we start, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Exactly. And today, we have a really warm and lovely topic. We're going to talk about family.
Family. A wonderful topic, Rachel. It's so important, isn't it?
Absolutely, Charles. Family is often the first group we belong to. They are the people who are always there for us, right from the start.
That's so true. Family offers us love and support. When we are happy, they celebrate with us. When we are sad, they comfort us. It's a special bond.
Yes, it is. Think about it. Our families teach us so many things. They teach us to be kind, to share, to help others. These are important lessons for life.
Yes. My family taught me to always be honest. That's a big one for me. What about yours, Rachel?
My family taught me the importance of being patient. Ooh, that was a hard lesson sometimes, but very good.
Patience is always good. Family also gives us a sense of belonging. We feel safe and loved with our family. It's our first home, no matter where we live.
Yes, it truly is. And they are often our biggest cheerleaders. When you want to try something new, your family is usually there saying, "Go for it. You can do it."
That encouragement is so valuable. It gives us confidence to try new things and to be ourselves.
And when we make mistakes, which we all do, our family helps us learn from them. They don't judge us, they just help us grow.
That's a very good point, Rachel. Family is a safe place to make mistakes and learn. It's a place of forgiveness and understanding.
So, family is not just about fun times, right? It's about growing, learning, supporting, and loving each other through everything. It's the foundation of who we are.
Yes, exactly. It really is. And when we talk about family, we mean all kinds of families. It can be a big family, a small family, a family with parents, grandparents, or just friends who are like family.
That's very important to say, Charles. Family is about connection and love, not just about blood. Your family can be anyone you choose, people who care for you deeply.
So let's talk about some common family members. Who do we usually find in a family, Rachel?
Well, the most common are parents, a mother and a father. And then there are their children, sons and daughters.
Right. So I am a son to my parents, and if I had a sister, she would be a daughter to them.
Yes. And if you have a brother, he is your sibling. And a sister is also your sibling. We use sibling for brothers and sisters.
Oh, okay. So my brother and I are siblings. Got it.
Yes, exactly. Then we have our parents' parents, who are our grandparents. We have a grandmother and a grandfather.
Oh, I love my grandparents. They are so special. And what about my parents' siblings?
Your parents' brother is your uncle, and your parents' sister is your aunt.
So my mom's sister is my aunt, and my dad's brother is my uncle. Easy.
Perfect. And their children are your cousins. So your aunt's son or daughter is your cousin. Your uncle's son or daughter is also your cousin.
Wow, I have many cousins. It's fun when we get together.
It is. And sometimes families are very big. You might have great-grandparents, your grandparents' parents.
Oh, that's even more family. It's nice to have a big family, lots of people to talk to and share with.
Yes, it is. And sometimes you also have step siblings or step parents if a parent remarries. They become part of your family too.
Ah, yes. It's all about love and connection, right? No matter how your family is structured, it's about the people who care for you.
Yes, exactly. So we have parents, children, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Those are the main ones.
Now, this is a fun part. Family traditions. Every family has them, right, Rachel?
Oh, yes. Traditions are special things families do together, often every year or on special occasions. They make memories.
They truly do. My family has a tradition of making a very specific type of cookie every Christmas. It's a secret recipe.
Ooh, a secret cookie recipe. That sounds wonderful, Charles. My family always has a big barbecue on the first day of summer. Everyone comes over.
That sounds like so much fun. We also have a tradition of going to the beach every summer. It's not Christmas cookies, but it's still special.
Beach trips are amazing. Traditions are great because they connect us to our past, to our history. We learn about our family story through them.
Yes, and they also create new memories for the future. When I make those cookies, I think about my grandmother, who taught my mom, who taught me.
Exactly. And they give us something to look forward to, like, oh, Christmas is coming. Time for Charles's secret cookies.
Exactly. Do your family traditions involve any special songs or games?
Not really songs, but we always play board games after our summer barbecue. Everyone gets really competitive.
That's great. My family plays charades on New Year's Eve. It always ends with lots of laughter, even when people are not very good at it.
Charades are always fun. It's those shared experiences that make traditions so special. They're like anchors, keeping us connected.
Yes, they are. They make us feel part of something bigger. It's like a shared identity.
So, traditions can be big events or small ones, like a special dinner on a certain day, or even just watching a movie together every Friday night.
Yes, exactly. It doesn't have to be grand. It's the consistency and the shared joy that matter. So if you have a family, think about your own traditions. They are very special.
Speaking of shared joy, let's talk about family activities. What do families like to do together?
Oh, so many things. My family loves to eat dinner together. It's a simple activity, but it's important. We talk about our day.
Yes, dinner together is wonderful. My family enjoys playing board games or card games. It's a nice way to spend time, laughing and competing a little.
And sometimes we just watch a movie together. We make popcorn and all sit on the couch. It's cozy.
Cozy is good. My family also likes to go for walks in the park or around the neighborhood. It's nice to get fresh air and talk.
That's a lovely idea. We often cook together on weekends. My dad is the chef, but we all help. It's fun, and we learn new recipes.
Oh, cooking together is so much fun. And then you get to eat something delicious that you made as a team. My family loves to bake cookies or cakes too.
Yum! Baking is always a winner. What about outdoor activities? Do your families do anything outside?
Yes, we sometimes go on bike rides together, or we play catch in the yard. Simple things, but they are happy moments.
Yes, simple moments are often the best. My family sometimes goes fishing. My grandpa taught me. It's very relaxing.
Fishing sounds peaceful. And what about helping each other? Is that a family activity?
Oh, absolutely.
Helping with chores around the house can be a family activity. Everyone works together to clean or organize. It teaches responsibility too.
Yes, like everyone helps clean the dishes after dinner, or we all do the laundry together. It's about teamwork.
Yes, teamwork makes the dream work, right? So, family activities can be simple, like eating and talking, or more active, like playing games or going for walks. The main point is spending time together.
Exactly. It's about being present with each other, enjoying the company, and making memories. Those are the best activities.
Now, for something a bit bigger, family vacations. Who doesn't love a vacation?
Oh, I love them. Family vacations are super special. They are a time to relax and make unforgettable memories together.
Absolutely. My family often goes to the beach for our vacation. We build sand castles, swim in the ocean, and eat ice cream. It's wonderful.
Ah, the beach is a classic. My family once went to a national park for a vacation. We hiked, saw amazing nature, and even saw some animals.
Wow, a national park. That sounds very adventurous. Did you camp?
We did. We slept in a tent. It was a bit cold at night, but it was an amazing experience. We made a campfire and told stories.
A campfire. That's so cool. My family sometimes goes to a city for vacation. We visit museums, famous landmarks, and try new foods.
City vacations aren't exciting. So much to see and do. We went to a big city once, and we rode on a double-decker bus. That was fun.
A double-decker bus? That's very touristy, but very fun. What about something more unique? Has your family ever gone on a cruise?
No, we haven't gone on a cruise, but I would love to. My cousin's family went on one, and they said it was amazing. Lots of food and activities on the ship.
Sounds like a floating hotel. My family hasn't done a cruise either, but it sounds interesting. Sometimes families also visit family members who live far away for their vacation.
Oh, yes. That's a great type of vacation, too. It's like visiting family and having a holiday at the same time. We sometimes visit my grandparents who live in another state.
Yes, it's a wonderful way to connect with extended family. So, family vacations can be to the beach, mountains, cities, or even just visiting relatives. The goal is to spend quality time together, away from daily routines.
Yes, exactly. It's about having fun, relaxing, and creating those special, remember that time we stories for the future. They are some of the best memories. And finally, let's talk about funny family moments. Every family has them, right, Charles?
Oh, yes. So many funny stories. These are the moments that make us laugh every time we remember them.
Exactly. Like the time my dad tried to bake a cake for my mom's birthday, and he used salt instead of sugar.
Oh no, how did it taste? Salty cake. That's hilarious.
It was memorable. Nobody ate it, but we still laugh about it. What about your family, Charles? Any funny moments?
Oh, definitely. One time, my little brother was trying to tell a story, and he got so excited that he started talking really fast, and then he accidentally sneezed right in the middle of a sentence.
Oh, that's so cute and funny. A sneeze story.
Yes, and he was so surprised by his own sneeze. We all just started laughing. And another time, my aunt was trying to take a family photo, and my uncle kept making funny faces behind her back.
Oh, the classic funny faces in photos. That always happens. Did she notice?
Not until she saw the photos. She was a bit annoyed at first, but then she laughed too. The photos are priceless now.
Priceless, yes. My cousin once tried to teach our grandpa how to use a new phone, and grandpa kept answering it upside down.
Upside down. That's fantastic. I can imagine the confusion.
It was. We tried so hard not to laugh, but it was impossible. Or the time my grandma wore 2 different shoes to a family dinner.
2 different shoes. That's amazing. How did she not notice?
She was in a hurry. She only noticed when we all started pointing and laughing. She just laughed with us.
That's the best part about funny family moments, isn't it? Even if something silly happens, everyone laughs together and it just becomes a great story.
Yes, exactly. It shows the love and the comfort we have with our families. We can be ourselves, and even our mistakes become funny memories.
So, next time you are with your family, remember to enjoy the funny moments. They are truly special. Well, Rachel, this has been such a lovely chat about family. It's such an important part of our lives.
It truly is, Charles. From the support they give us to the funny moments we share, family makes life richer.
Absolutely. And to all of you listening, we hope you enjoyed learning some new words about family today.
Yes, we love having you with us. Please remember to subscribe to English on the Way, like this video, and share it with your friends and family.
And we'd love to hear from you. What is your favorite family tradition or a funny family moment you remember? Leave a comment below.
We love reading your comments. Thank you so much for joining us today on English on the Way.
We'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.